In Germany, the new Porsche Cayenne Turbo Electric has undergone extensive testing in challenging environments, including deep sand and steep unpaved terrain, ensuring it can handle demanding real-world conditions with confidence. Tested extensively in extreme conditions such as deep mud, uneven slopes, and steep hill-climbing roads, it combines low-inertia electric motors, a dedicated sand-driving mode, and adaptive air suspension that raises ground clearance up to 245 millimeters. Optional features like Porsche Active Ride and an off-road package further enhance stability control and durability, making it fully capable in challenging environments. In China, some drivers have taken things to an extreme, pushing their vehicles and their own limits to a whole new level by engaging in highly aggressive and risky driving behavior. They maneuvered their Porsche Cayenne through deep mud pits and unforgiving terrain, tackling challenging off-road environments that demand precision and control, yet often doing so with a reckless edge. These drivers climb incredibly steep uphill paths and descend sharp, hazardous slopes, sometimes in conditions where visibility is severely limited, further increasing the danger. Such intense off-road driving not only tests the capabilities of the vehicle, but also significantly raises the likelihood of damage, as the combination of harsh terrain, poor visibility, and higher-risk maneuvers creates a situation where both the driver and the vehicle are constantly pushed to their limits. Check this out. This Porsche Cayenne ends up trapped in a highly tense and precarious situation while descending a steep downhill path right as it attempts to navigate a series of sharp and unforgiving corners. As the vehicle carefully makes its way through the turn, the uneven terrain causes the rear end to lift and hover momentarily in midair, creating a dramatic and unstable position that significantly increases the risk of losing control. With limited traction and balance compromised, the situation quickly escalates into a nerve-wracking off-road nightmare where every small movement could make things worse. Despite the intensity of the moment, the driver stays focused and composed, skillfully adjusting their inputs and approach, and eventually manages to find a way to regain stability and guide the vehicle safely out of danger, turning what seemed like a disastrous scenario into a remarkable recovery. Once again, descending downhill proves to be an extremely challenging task, as the terrain is far from forgiving, with giant potholes scattered across the path, creating an uneven and unstable surface that constantly disrupts the vehicle's balance. The road itself twists and bends unpredictably, forming a winding route that demands careful control and precise handling at every turn, leaving little margin for error. Each section of the descent tests both the driver's skill and the vehicle's capability, as the combination of rough ground and sharp curves makes progress slow and nerve-wracking. Despite these ongoing obstacles and the relentless difficulty of the journey, it is safe to say that the Porsche Cayenne ultimately manages to overcome the terrain and successfully make its way down to solid ground, bringing a sense of relief after such a demanding and intense drive.